guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a lot of new subscribers, so welcome to my channel. I am so glad you're here and thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, hit that and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Today I am going to be doing a little unboxing and also like a review or like a try on of this company, Joah Beauty, that I got from Influenster. It's another Fox box. It's actually a really affordable line. It's so cute. Inside we have an eyeshadow palette. Actually, I'm just gonna take it out. We have an eyeshadow palette. It's called Birthday Suit with a bunch of neutrals. So perfect because that's what I love. They have a matte gel lipstick, and the color that I got is called Sweet Cheeks. It's a really, so far it looks pretty, brown, neutral, natural, an eyebrow pencil. It's called Brow Down to Me. And the last thing is I'm So Fly eyeliner. So this black one, it looks like a felt tip. Usually I don't really like the felt tip ones because they run out so easily, but we'll see. First of all, like, how cute is this packaging? Like, I love the lace. It's like so girly. Oh, the plastic. Really beautiful colors. Just natural. They're all pretty shimmery. There's only one called Cappuccino that's like the lightest one. But this one right here is like this really pretty champagne color with a little bit of gold. Girl, that I know I'm gonna love. So this whole line is sold at CVS. It's inspired by K-beauty, Korean beauty products. Korean beauty is like a whole nother level. They've come out with really amazing things too. Like, I remember they came out with the eyebrow tattoo before anybody else. They came out with like the lip gels similar to this one, but like a stain that would stay on your lip forever. So I've definitely tried different products and I would always get them in the Bay Area. This is great because it's kind of sold everywhere now. I am starting with the lips for once. I just want to get inspired by the color. Perfect. Smells good. Feels so good actually. The color is really similar to a Revlon one that I have. It's maybe just like a little bit more matte. Oh my god, yeah, I really like this. This is like me every day. Like when I go to work, I'll rarely wear like a lip color. This is like just enough so that even if I eat something and it comes off, I don't look crazy or like, girl. Sometimes I'll be at work and then I get off and I am so busy from the beginning of my day till the end that I don't even look in the mirror the whole day, and I'll have just lip liner all the way around. Not cute. This did not come with an eye primer, so I am just going to use my own. So I'm going to be doing the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. These bangs are getting so long that I like cannot do my makeup without moving them around. One thing I forgot to mention, or I guess I didn't notice until after, but those crown brushes that I got in my FabFitFun box, they are so cool. So they have this little edge right here for your finger to rest as you're applying it, and all of them had it. The big one, I need to use like a little mirror because this one didn't come with one. That's like one of my pet peeves. Like, if you're gonna come out with a palette, please come with a mirror because I don't want to carry an extra one. I'm gonna start by doing the whipped cream color, which is the lightest one here in the corner that I know I'm gonna love. I just know it. There is like the glitter in it that I thought was gonna stay really well is like totally falling out. So my face is gonna be like bright and glittery all day. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna keep it very natural. Now I'm scared. I'm gonna do the Please color just right on my lid. Okay, this one doesn't seem to get like as much fallout as the other one. There is definitely so much fallout. Oh my god. No. Well. Okay, this side's not as bad. Yeah, I don't know. Joah Beauty. I don't know about this. I'm gonna use that darker brown that's like a little bit more matte here. Wait, yeah, here. Right in the crease. Stay in your place, bangs. This one's okay. But I feel like since I already messed with the other one, like, they're not colors that are gonna be defined. Like, they are totally just gonna melt into each other. Yeah, they're getting everywhere. It's not bad, but the fallout was not good at all. I like want to just keep it super, super natural because I feel like the K-Beauty is always super natural. Like, they never go over the top. They'll have a lot of stuff on, but it won't be like, I never really see them with like black eye or a dark brown smoky eye or anything like that. So I want to keep this really neutral and natural. So that's all I'm doing for the eyes. I do not like that fallout. So it's a dark brown, a little pencil like this. So far, I really love the lip color for sure. Okay, brow pencil. It feels a little stiff, but I feel like when you have something new, sometimes it gets like that. Like, you gotta wear it down a little bit. Yeah, I'm not mad at that. Yeah, I like that. I used to want to go with my managers at this clothing store that I used to work for. I wanted to go with them because they were Korean and they would talk about going to get stuff done. Like, my manager at the time got her eyelids done, and it was like, so it wouldn't be a mono lid, and she got like the little line. But yeah, they would just go on trips. They would be there for a couple weeks and then come back, and I'd be like, what else did he get done? They're like, well, you know, going to the plastic surgeon in Korea is kind of like going to the doctor here. And I always thought that was so cool. I was just like, I want to go to Korea. Like, how awesome. Oh, I like the tip of this. Well, you can't really tell. But let's see. Oh, it like skipped. Like, it doesn't go on that smooth. It's pretty black though. Yeah, it's pretty dark. It's kind of annoying because this is kind of fat. So like right now when I was going across like this, I felt like I have to hold it like up here instead of like here and doing it, you know? Oh my god, they're smooth. Okay, so far that's okay. Yeah, it's like really fat in the front and then the end is a a little bit thinner. I like how dark it is. It's like, it's not that glossy, which I like because some of the like Korean beauty products, like their liners are so glossy. Like everything is shiny and I don't like that. I'm a matte girl. We know that's from my lips. We don't like metallic, we like matte. And to finish off this look, I am just gonna be doing mascara. That's it. This is the most natural that I go. This is like a chill day. And this is probably a lot of makeup for some people, even with like my skin and all that. But this is like, all right, we're gonna be super simple. For my mascara, I'm just using the Lancome Monsieur Big. The brush is like humongous. And I really like it because even though it's not waterproof, I don't have to worry about it going anywhere. Like it doesn't move. The ends, like here and here, always have mascara on them. Like always. That's it. Actually, I'm gonna do a little bit more lipstick. I really like it. It's like matte, but like creamy matte. Yeah, out of all the things, I give the palette like a 4. Actually, I should give it another try because I haven't used the darker shades here. So I'll definitely give it a try and I'll let you guys know. But so far this is a 4. And the lipstick we like. This we'll throw in my purse. The eyeliner, we'll see about the flakiness and all that. We'll have to wait. I'll let you guys know. The brow pencil, we like too. So far, 2 out of the 4 things are pretty good. This one is still, we'll wait. But yeah, thanks for watching. It's something super quick, simple. You can do this every day.